family, this is the Velvet Locks with another Fashion Nova try-on haul video. Now, I tell you ladies, like I mentioned, I got some really nice things for the summer and I went overboard. So in this haul, it's going to be a little lengthy, but we're going to get started on it right now. Now the first item is called the Penny for Your Thoughts set, and it is adorable. Okay, the first color that I got it in was the lavender color, and I love this style of it. Only problem I have with these off-the-shoulder roll-down tops is that they don't stay rolled down. When you have them on, they kind of flip up around the collar, exposing the seam, and I don't like that. So with these type of tops, I mentioned I'm gonna have to probably stitch it, tack it down somehow, but it comes with this really cute skirt. It's a really cute mini skirt, and it reminds me of the Flintstones because it kind of wraps and ties on the side, but it's not a complete wraparound. It just gives you that wraparound look. Okay, but it does wrap to the side, and it's really cute. It's like a geometric type of shape at the end. All right, and even though it's a mini, it fits nice, but again, with that wrap thing, if you got hips and booty, you may have a problem wearing this because it will open around the tie area, the flap area, and it doesn't look flattering. Okay, I also picked this up in the white. I like the way it looked on the model in the white. All right, it's really cute. All right, it's either white or ivory, but it's really a pretty color. Same thing, geometric style skirt, and the off-the-shoulder crop. Okay, next item I want to show you is this really cute, cute, sexy. It's called the Military School Combo Dress, and it's in camouflage, and I love this. I love this. Now it is like it's very stretchy, I can tell you that much. It's extremely stretchy. It is adjustable, so you could squinch it up. It's, you know, short as you want it to look, or you can loosen it up so you can make it a little bit more longer, but it's so pretty. Isn't that gorgeous, lady? It's a off the shoulder or a tube dress. Okay, it's a mini skirt, and it has the little tie at the end that you can actually squinch it up a little bit or squinch it down a little bit, and it's really nice. It's stretchy. It's a thin material, but you can't see through it if you wear your dark. You really can't see through it at all. Yeah, so with dark underwear, dark shapewear, you won't see a thing, but it's so cute. I love it. Love it. Now the next item is the No One Like You dress in mauve. All right, now this is really pretty. It has like the straps on the top. All right, and it does have the long sleeves. Now this is almost like a knit dress. Okay, you can get away with it right now in the spring and maybe on those cool summer nights or days, but this is so pretty. It's long. Okay, it fits nicely, and it also has this really nice liner inside, so even though it's sheer, you really can't see a whole lot, but you need to wear your shapewear because this will definitely show all of your business. All the business. So the next item I got is this. It's called the tie-dye Daze dress, and I got it in black, and I love the way it looked on the model in the catalog. But really and truly, this is something you could have gotten at your rainbow store. This was a waste. Now I'm serious. This was like a disappointment because I don't even see a tag here that says Fashion Nova. This is not even a Fashion Nova brand, and for them to sell it for the price that they did, it's crazy. But it's really nice. It's a long maxi dress. I like the design, the way it looks on the model. I'm going to show you a picture, but it's so pretty. And what I like the most about it is the back part. Okay, you can't really tell by the way I'm holding it, but the back part is like the cutouts. Okay, you got your sides out on the back, on the sides, and it's really nice, and it has like a double split, one on each side of this dress. and it's okay. I mean, it looks nice. It's great for the summer. Now, this one is called the Cut You Off Midi dress. Now, I got this in the color nude in my last video, but now when I saw that they had it in black, I had to go back and get it. This is such a cute, we're talking a sexy, really sexy dress, and really and truly this dress, it kind of exposes you, because if you got a pooch, the dress part lays on your belly, so it kind of shows a little bump in the front. All right, but if you got your half shape where, you know, you should be okay. You just can't have like one of those high-rise type of belly things. It has to be kind of low if you're gonna wear it, or brief. But this is so pretty. Now, the thing that I love about it is the fact that it has that long hardware zipper in the front. Okay, you slide right into it, you zip right into it and zip it up. All right, and one thing I realized with these tops, you cannot be very busty. If you're busty, your boobies are gonna hang from the bottom. They're gonna be exposed underneath the shirt, okay? Because when I have my bra on, you can see the bottom of the bra, and yeah. So if you're very busty on top, this is not the dress for you. But if you're a decent size, like I'm a C, a 36C, but you have to wear the right undergarment for it to be camouflage. Or if you're gonna go nude underneath, just put your pasties on and you're good to go. Now the next item I want to show you, it's called the Anna dress. Now this Anna dress I got in 2 colors because I just loved. I love this style, I really do. I could have pretty much got it anywhere in my local neighborhood stores, but I got it on Fashion Nova, you guys. And it's basic, really and truly, it's basic as basic can get. It's a tube dress, okay? It's not a long all the way to the floor type of thing, but it is a nice size to wear with your heels, with your sandals for the summer. I mean, trick this simple thing out with a nice cover up, with some jewelry, banging hairstyle, and you're still rocking, okay? I got it in a large, I think it was. Yeah, and I got it in a large, and it was $22.99. Like I said, with my codes and discounts, I don't spend that kind of money, but it is a little pricey for a basic dress. Now, I also picked it up in the red color, which is the first color that I actually saw on the model, and I loved it. And yes, same dress, okay? Nothing spectacular about it. Just a simple basic dress that you can actually spruce up, trick out, okay? Put a nice denim jacket over it, or a nice faux, one of those biker faux jackets, or a bolero. I mean, there's so many things you can do with this. Very cute. I bought it for the colors, actually. The color of my melanin skin. Now, the next dress I got excited when I saw the color. I guess I bought it for the color. And it's shocking, okay? And this is how I am in the summer, because when my skin gets more golden tan, this right here, this is gonna look gorgioso, if that's a word. It's gonna look really good. Yes, I love it. This is called the Cosmic Connection Ruched dress, and it's in a neon yellow. And I got it in a large, and it fits really, really good. OMG. Now, the fabric itself reminds me of like a bathing suit type of fabric. Okay, it's thick like that. You wear your shapewear underneath if you need to, but it's really nice. It's sexy. Okay, got 2 strings at the bottom. It's a mini. You can wear this dress just about anywhere. Okay, really cute pop in color. So the last item I want to show you, and I tell you, I love rompers. Rompers, when they popped out last couple of summers, at first I wasn't really feeling it because I thought it was a little too cheeky. Some of them were a little too cheeky, but I am so in love with rompers. And I picked up this wonderful off-the-shoulder romper, and it's called the Bronte romper. And I got it in navy, and it really fits nicely, ladies. I did pick it up in a large where I probably could have sized down to a medium, because really and truly, ladies, I have shrunk. Yes, I have shrunk. So now my tops are actually mediums. My booty area now, that's still a large, which I'm okay with that. Long as it ain't a medium, I'm good. It could be a large. Okay, but this is so pretty. It has a nice flowing bell sleeves. Okay, it has the front tie thing in the front, and it has these nice little, you know, piece on the bottom, and it goes around the whole entire thing. It really looks like you're wearing a dress. You really don't see that you're wearing a romper. This was nicely made. I gotta give it to you, Fashion Nova, and the color is beautiful. And I did pay $24.99 minus the product codes and the discounts, but it is in a size large. That's it for this nice little haul. I'm telling you, stay tuned. Stay tuned. I have another jeans and bodysuits video coming, as well as this swimsuits. Okay, I think I'll save the swimsuits for last. Yeah, I'll save that for last. The bathing suits, the cover-ups, beachwear gear. Stay tuned for that video. But next, I have more Fashion Nova jeans that I picked up. Nice tops, nice crop tops. We're talking sexy and hot summer ready gear. All right, so stay tuned for the next video. Don't forget, like, comment, subscribe down below. Turn your notifications on. Hit that bell, because that's a serious thing, ladies. It's a serious thing. These bells are not lit, and you're not getting the notifications. So make sure that bell is lit, and don't forget, share these videos. Share them, you know. And until the next time, I will see you in the next video. Hey fam, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button down below. Hit that notification bell right next to it. So this way you will know when I'm uploading another video. So don't forget, hit the subscribe button, give me those likes, thumbs up, and hit that notification bell so you will not miss another one of these type of videos. So let's get started.